ladies and gentlemen, I have two readings. A number 2 injector, and it's giving me a reading of an ICP sensor. So I'm going to replace the ICP sensor first because I may get lucky. And because the ICP sensor, if it goes bad, it will actually send a false reading to the injectors. It will actually make the engine skip, just this sensor alone. And this sensor is located right on the engine oil rail, right behind, underneath the ECM. So we're going to remove the ECM, replace this sensor, and hope I get lucky. First thing I want to do, I'm going to remove these 3 nuts that's holding on the ECM. I'm going to use a 13mm socket with an extension. Now we have the 3 nuts removed on top, and we have one last bolt that's a bottom bracket right where my finger is pointing. So we're going to use a 15mm. So the sensor is right back here. Now we have room to actually get to it. Just going to remove the clip. Now I'm going to use a 1 16 wrench to break it loose. I'm going to put my 1 16 wrench back on it and tighten it up. Put back on my clamp. Now, all you have to do is just put your ECM back in place, put your nuts back on. And if you do not put a bucket down, this is the amount of oil that you actually lose. Not too bad. Well, that's all you have to do to replace your ICP sensor. I hope this video was helpful. And if you still have a skip, go ahead and replace that injector that your scanner is telling you to replace. And you may get lucky. After replacing this sensor, you may not have to do that. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Work safely, and God bless.